Color. Psychology. Business brain. Color is the first thing people notice about your work or product. 90% of the snap judgments are influenced by color alone. The first color that we distinguish after birth is the color red. Red is used in entertainment, food, sport, fire protection, and children's products. Orange is used in art, entertainment, food, sports, and transportation. Yellow is used to stimulate relaxation, awareness, energize, and affect mood. Green is used in environment, leisure, alternative energy, and education. Kelly green is used to indicate banking, real estate, farming, and nonprofit. Sky blue draws attention, inspires trust, suggests precision, communicates consciousness, and stimulates productivity. Violet, creativity, inspire, wisdom and power, luxury, and intuition. Gray, composure, depressed energy, communicate maturity. And black, power, control, authority, discipline, and elegance. Color is the quickest way to influence your customers subconsciously towards a buying decision. For more info, call Dr. Pete at 773-372-9656.